have already learned what adjectives are. Adjectives are describing words. They describe a noun or a pronoun. Now look at this sentence. This is a big ball. In this sentence, ball is a noun and describing the noun ball is the word big. So big is an adjective. Now what about this sentence? The red ball is bigger than the orange ball. Now this word bigger is also describing this red ball. So bigger is an adjective, but over here this adjective bigger shows comparison. So it shows a comparison between these two balls. So there is a comparison between two balls, whereas in this case there is no comparison. In the first case there is no comparison because there is just one ball. So bigger is just a different form of the adjective big, which is used for comparing two balls. And if we have more than two balls, then we say that the red ball is the biggest among all the balls. So biggest is also an adjective. It is telling us about the size of the red ball. So biggest is telling us about the size of the red ball. So it is an adjective, but it once again shows a comparison among so many balls. So more than two balls. So it shows a comparison among more than two balls. So biggest is a different form of the adjective big. So big, bigger, biggest. These are the different forms of the same adjective big, and big is used to show no comparison when there is just one ball. Bigger is used to show comparison when there are two balls, and biggest is used to show comparison when there are more than two balls. Okay. So the three different forms of adjectives are called the degrees of comparison. Now this is a big ball. So big is the primary or simple form of the adjective, and it is called the positive degree of adjective. So when there is no comparison involved, when we just have one ball and there is no comparison involved, we use the simple or primary form of the adjective. It is called the positive degree of adjective. So the adjectives which we have been normally using till now, big, small, thin, fat, clever, beautiful, interesting, all these are the positive degrees of adjective or the simple forms of adjectives. But when I say that the red ball is bigger than the orange ball, then bigger is used for comparing two balls. So there is some comparison involved, and bigger is called the comparative degree of adjective. It is used to compare between two persons or things. So we use the comparative degree for comparing between two persons or things. Remember, we always compare the same characteristic or the same attribute for two persons or things. Over here, we are comparing the size of the red ball to the size of the orange ball. We cannot compare the size of one ball to the color of the other ball. We always compare things on the same attributes. So comparative degree is used to compare two people or things on the same attribute. And when I say that the red ball is the biggest among all the balls, so biggest is another form of the adjective big. It is called the superlative degree of adjective. It compares three or more persons or things. So whenever we have more than two, we use the superlative degree of adjective. It is used to compare any number more than two, be it 3, 4, 5, 6, 500, 5,000, any number. But if it is more than 2, we use the superlative degree of adjective. So over here, when we are comparing more than 2 balls, we use the superlative degree of adjective biggest. So big, bigger, biggest. Big is the positive degree used when there is no comparison. Bigger is the comparative degree used for comparing two, and biggest is the superlative degree used for comparing more than two. So now over here I can see a tall boy. So this is a tall boy. So the adjective tall is used to describe this boy. This is the positive degree of adjective. So positive degree is the simple or primary form of adjective. Now if I have another boy, this boy in the red shirt, who is taller than the boy in the yellow shirt, so I can describe him by the adjective taller. And because we are using the word taller or the adjective taller to compare two people, it is the comparative degree of adjective. It compares between two persons or things. And over here, there are more than two people, and this person in the green shirt is the tallest among them all. So tallest is the adjective used to describe him, and because the comparison is made among more than two people, it is the superlative degree of adjective, and superlative degree compares three or more persons or things. So now we have our famous Laddu boy, Bheem. Bheem is a fat boy. The adjective over here is fat. And there comes the notorious Dholu. Bheem is fatter than Dholu. So fatter is used for comparing these two people. So it is the comparative degree of adjective. And here we have Kalia. Kalia is the fattest of the three. So we are comparing three people here. So fattest is used to describe Kalia, and it means that Kalia is the fattest among them all. So fattest is the superlative degree of adjective. So fat, fatter, fattest are the three different forms of the same adjective. Fat is the simple or primary form called the positive degree. Fatter is used to compare two people, comparative degree, and fattest is used to compare more than two people. It is the superlative degree. So for the different adjectives, we have different comparative and superlative forms. Now, if you have been noticing all this while, comparative degree of an adjective is followed by than. So, as a rule, comparative degree of any adjective will always be followed by than. Tea is hotter than milk. So, I am comparing two things, tea and milk. So, comparison is between two things. So, tea is hotter than milk. So hotter is the comparative degree of adjective, and it is followed by than. I never say tea is hotter milk. It is always tea is hotter than milk. Just like I said, the red ball is bigger than the orange ball. So than always follows comparative degree of adjective. Raja is happier than Reena. So once again, I am comparing these two children, and Raja is the happier one. So Raja is happier than Reena. So this is the comparative degree of adjective and it is followed by than. Superlative degree of adjective is preceded by the. So preceded by means the always comes before the superlative degree of adjective. He is the best boy in the class. So best is the superlative degree of adjective. We'll learn. Good is the primary form. Better is the comparative degree and best is the superlative degree. So he is the best boy in the class. Best is the superlative degree and the comes before best. So best is preceded by the. This is always done while using a superlative degree of adjective. This is the sweetest mango. So once again, sweetest is the superlative degree of adjective and it is preceded by the. Now another way of saying this is, this mango is sweeter than the other mangoes. So these two sentences mean the same thing. This is the sweetest mango and this mango is sweeter than the other mangoes. But over here we are using the superlative degree and here we are using the comparative degree. Sweeter than. Comparative degree is always followed by than, because over here we are comparing this one mango to all the other mangoes. So all the other mangoes are together considered as one group. So essentially we are comparing just two things, one mango to the other group of mangoes. That is why we are using comparative degree over here. But over here we are comparing all the mangoes together. So we say this is the sweetest mango. The sun is the brightest star in the sky. What is the adjective here and what is the degree of adjective? So over here, brightest is the adjective which is describing the noun star. It is the brightest star and it is the superlative degree of adjective because it is preceded by the and it is telling us that among all the stars in the sky, the sun is the brightest. So the comparison is among all the stars. So more than 2, and when we are comparing more than 2, it means it is the superlative degree. It is the superlative degree of adjective. And as we can see, superlative degree is preceded by the. My brother is dash than me. We need to fill up the blank using the correct form of the adjective old. So first we need to see whether there is any comparison or not. If there is a comparison, then it is between or among how many people. So there is a comparison and the comparison is between these two people. So when we are comparing two people, we use the comparative degree of adjective. And the comparative degree of the adjective old is older. So we say my brother is older than me. So we use the different forms or different degrees of comparison for adjectives. The positive degree is the primary or the simple form of adjective. It is used when there is no comparison. The comparative degree is used for comparing between two people or things, and the superlative degree is used for comparing among more than two people or things. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.